Okay, 370 wants us to multiply the following expressions. I'm not going to use a generic rectangle, I'm just going to multiply. So A is 2x plus 5 times x plus 6. So first, we're going to take the 2x, right, and we're going to multiply it by the x and then the 6, right? So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 6 is 12x. Okay, then we're going to take the 5 and we're going to multiply it by the x and the 6, right? So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 6 is 30. And these are like terms, right? So we get 2x squared plus 17x plus 30 for A. Let's do B over here. We have m minus 3 times 3m plus 5. Right, so again, first thing, we're going to take the m and multiply it by the 3m, and then the m and multiply it by the 5, right? We're going to distribute that in. So m times 3m is 3m squared. M times 5 is 5m. Okay, now the next one, we're going to take the negative 3, not just 3, negative 3, and we're going to multiply it by 3m and then 5, right? So negative 3 times 3m is negative 9m. And negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, right? These are like terms. So we have 3m squared, positive 5, negative 9 is minus 4m, minus 15 for B. Okay, for C, let's make some room. C, we have 12x plus 1 times x squared minus 5. So again, we're going to take 12x and multiply it by each of those two terms. So 12x times x squared is 12x to the third. 12x times negative 5 is minus 60x. Okay, next, we're going to take the 1 and we're going to multiply it by x squared and then negative 5, right? So we get plus x squared minus 5. We have no like terms. I'm just going to rearrange to put in descending order, but at this point it's not incorrect if you just left it the way it is. But I went for the powers, power 3, power 2, power 1, and none, right? Okay. And that's the answer to C. And D we'll do over here, right? We have 3 minus 5 minus 5y times 2 plus y, right? So first we take the 3 and we multiply it by 2 and then by y. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times y is 3y. Then we go to the negative 5y times 2 and then times y. So negative 5y times 2 is negative 10y. Negative 5y times y is negative 5y squared. And we have like terms, so we get 6 plus 3 minus 10 is minus 7y minus 5y squared. We could leave it like that. We could rearrange it to get the y squared y first and there, but either way is fine.